this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. How's everything going? The vlog is going to start now. Heaven. Hey guys, so I'm here at school and nobody wants to vlog with me. All my friends, they don't want to be in my vlog anymore. They actually cussed me out and said that they're not going to watch it anymore. So it's a sad days. You subscribe? You subscribe to the recent one?
I subscribed. That's the recent one right there.
Oh, okay. Alright, that's cool.
Really, you had to get that camera.
Yeah. I look good on camera. Don't I?
You always look good.
Mm-hmm. I always look good?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. That's cool. Compliments. Oh my god. But I definitely have to post today. I have to get this one. Not really. It's not that bad. But yeah. See you guys later.
Syria ran out of water and food. They moved into the large cities, which were already under a lot of stress, and that stress just bubbled up. A civil war took place, and all of a sudden, you know, you have migration to a large scale. As large as that is, and as concerned as the world is at that, it is nothing compared to what we're going to see in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a city of 155 million people. They're running out of water and food, and they're on the move right now. They're either they can either go to China, which is communist, or they can go to the west to India, which is Hindu. Now, when they get to that border, you're not going to hear what caused these people to move to the border was they ran out of water and food. You're going to hear that it's a Muslim fighting Hindu battle. The media is spinning this into religious wars, perhaps more so than they need to be. But to answer your question, it's a very, very complicated issue. One of the things that I'm trying to do is I'm trying to rebrand really the proactive aspect of this. If Martin Luther King would have started his march with "I have a nightmare" instead of "I have a dream," how many people would have followed him? And I think climate change has been a political lightning rod, partially because of the way it came out. I honestly think that if Al Gore, and I think a lot of things that Al Gore said were great, but I think if it was someone else, a scientist that came out, we might be looking at something completely different. Conservatives is to conserve. The Republican Party started the EPA. If anybody should be really conservative about all of this, it really should be them. But we're just in a different world, in a different space at this time. But I've strategically tried to avoid that, hoping more to bring them together. I'll also follow that up with, you know, part of the conversation and the political conversation is it climate changing? If it is it man-made or is it natural? And is carbon something that we should actually worry about? What we really focused on here was, that's really important, and let's deal with that. But for me, what's even more important is this is a humanitarian crisis that we've never seen to the likes of. The Pentagon, as they mentioned in the movie, considers only avoiding war with China the consequences of, people running out of resources and food due to climatic change. So, okay, sorry, I kind of rambled there, but.
All right, thank you. Other questions?
Another one in the balcony?
Hey guys, so
Hi.
you're here at school. Yeah, she's definitely coming in today. So the lovers as usual. Yeah, but I just want to like talk to you guys and explain. I know like how should I put? I shouldn't say the content, but like the fun and all that stuff, like the substance of the vlog has been dropping lately, and I'm really sad about that because I like to bring like good stuff to you guys, so you guys can actually enjoy it and laugh. I know, because that's what the vlog is about.
Get some money. Go to Disney or
I'm going to Orlando tomorrow.
go to Orlando.
So
Vlog people in Orlando and
I had this encounter with a gay person in Orlando. It wasn't pretty. Oh, I shouldn't put that on the vlog. No, I shouldn't put that on. I don't want people attacking me, coming at me for certain comments. But yeah, I'm gonna make the vlog more interesting for you guys. I know I keep saying that, but I will.
just a start.
Yeah, it's just it's just a phase. I'm really busy lately and all of that, so I'm gonna try and put in more effort into bringing more substance to the vlog. So the quality has improved a bit with the new camera and stuff. It's been months now, but
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, totally. Go ahead.
No, I'm not going to do that.
You're on camera.
yeah, she's
Yeah,
on
that's why I'm not
camera.
gonna.
Evidence. It'd probably be cute. Look him.
Oh, you don't.
Oh yeah. She has a weird laugh. That's nice. And I have cabbage in my teeth.
I like her laugh. Her laugh's not weird.
Is that weird?
Her laugh's not weird.
Yeah, it's example of good couple. Example of nice couple.
What are the?
Alright, see you guys later. Running to get a phone. Really?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend watches it?
That's why I'm in it. Don't
He
worry.
doesn't want you to be in it?
Mark, you're gonna get me in trouble.
Guys, can you believe that Vonnie boyfriend don't want her to be in my vlog anymore? Boyfriend, wake up. Vonnie, they miss you. Yeah. Did you see the comments?
No.
Go online, check the comments,
I will.
and you'll see. So, how's everything going?
Hi.
How's everything? What's good? That's nice. You shimmied around my question, and then when I was talking for too long, I tend to get,
Yeah.
straight away. I just asked him a simple question, but it was good though.
Okay, that's good though.
Bonnie's like a mini girl. But it's good to see her though, it's nice. Alright, see you guys later.
Bye.